Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial covers a great song from the late 60s called Hush. It was written by a gentleman named Joe South and originally recorded by Billy Joe Royal in 1967. A year later, a little-known band called Deep Purple picked up the song and recorded it. Their version peaked at number 4 on the Billboard Hot 100 in 1968. It became their first big hit. Before we get started though, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes and you'll find my music there. What we'll do first is we'll have a look at the chords that you're going to need to know. Then we'll perform the cover. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progression. And as always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great rock song from the late 60s, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, in order to get all the way through Hush, you're going to need to know 6 chords. One of those chords is exclusively used in the intro only. We'll have a closer look at that in a couple of minutes. Let's have a look. First one is an A major. Now, there's an F chord. I actually use the F major 7 or the F C chord. Whatever you call it, that's what I use. You can use the standard F chord in this, or you can even bar this chord. All work for this song. There is a C chord. There's a D. There's a G major. And in the intro, used only once, there is an E major. That's it. Let's get to the cover.
Got a certain little girl who's on my mind. No doubt about it, she looks so fine. She's the best girl that I ever had. But sometimes she sure makes me feel so bad. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Hush, hush. Thought I heard her calling my name now. Hush, hush. She broke my heart, but I love her just the same now. Hush, hush. Thought I heard her calling my name now. Hush, hush. Need her love, but I'm not to blame now. Early in the morning, late in the evening, I want it or ain't it, and I've gotta have it. She's got loving like quicksand. It only took one touch of her hand. Blow my mind and I'm in so deep that I can't eat and I can't sleep. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Hush, hush. Thought I heard her calling my name now. Hush, hush. She broke my heart, but I love her just the same now. Hush, hush. Thought I heard her calling my name now. Hush, hush. Need her love, but I'm not to blame now. Early in the morning, late in the evening, I I want it, I need it, and I've got to have it. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Okay, let's get to the chord progression. We're going to break this into 4 parts for you. We'll start with a quick look at the intro, then we'll move into the verse and pre-chorus, then we'll look at the chorus, and we'll finally finish off with a closer look at the bridge. Now let's get to the intro. The song basically starts on the G major chord. And now in this part, the F, I bar this. Again, you can do whatever you want. Let's have a closer look. Starting again on the G. Here we go. The F to the D and then to the E. And then that basically takes you right into the verse and pre-chorus. Okay, so for this great song, I use a combination of strumming the chords outright and something called palm muting. Now, if you don't know what that means, it's very, very simple. Really, what we do is we take this fattier tissue of your hand and basically place it over the top of the strings. That creates a little muting effect, kind of a bassy sound to it, which I think really, really adds to this great song. Let's have a look using that A chord. That's it. So I do a combination of palm muting and strumming. You can do whatever you want. Strumming the chords outright works as well, whatever you prefer. Let's just get into the verse and the pre-chorus. It basically starts on that A chord. Here we go. Got a certain little girl, she's on my mind. No doubt about it, she looks so fine. She's the best girl that I ever had. Sometimes she sure makes me feel so bad. Na 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 na. And then that's when you go right into the chorus. Let's have a closer look. Okay, for the chorus, I continue to palm mute. But again, as a reminder, you can strum the chords outright. It's completely up to you. The chorus also starts on the A major chord. Here we go. Hush, hush, thought I heard her calling my name now. Hush, hush, she broke my heart, but I love her just the same now. Hush, hush, thought I heard her calling my name now. Hush, hush, need her love, but I'm not to blame now. And that takes you right into the bridge. All right, let's finish it off with the bridge. There's only one chord, the A chord, and I actually strum this chord, but not a down strum. It's an up strum with a little bit of impact. Let me show you. Again, on the A chord. Early in the morning, late in the evening, I want it, I need it, and I've got to have it. And that's it. That's as simple as that bridge is. There you have it, Hush, performed by Deep Purple. Thank you for tuning in to my acoustic lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my guitar tutorials and covers, please again consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.